Hi, I'm Azra, Product Operations Manager at Taoglas, and today I'm introducing the Taoglas Invisible Antenna TFX Series, our innovative range of transparent, flexible antennas built for seamless 5G and 4G cellular integration. These invisible antennas operate across the full 600 to 6000 MHz spectrum and deliver high efficiency in applications where traditional antenna visibility or space is a constraint. Whether you choose the compact TFX 62 for cellular, the mid-size TFX 125 for GNSS, or the high-performance TFX 257 for Wi-Fi, each model combines discrete transparency with industry-leading performance, making them perfect for kiosks, digital signage, EV chargers, and transportation. All TFX models feature flexible PET substrates and come pre-applied with adhesive for easy peel and stick mounting, SMA connector for plug-and-play installation. So if you are designing wireless solutions where antenna visibility and space matter, the TFX series lets you keep the signal strong and the antenna hidden. Reach out to Taoglas or your local distributor to request samples and start integrating the feature of invisible connectivity. Thanks for watching.